Are you drowning in debt but don't want to live on ramen noodles and give up all the fun stuff in life? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you powerful tips to crush your debt without sacrificing everything you love. Let's get started. Fun. Understand your debt situation. First things first, you can't fix what you don't understand. So, step 1 is to get a clear picture of your debt. Here's what to do. 1. Write down all your debts: credit cards, student loans, personal loans, etc. 2. Note the interest rates, balances, and minimum payments. This gives you a bird's eye view of your finances and shows you which debts are costing you the most. Spoiler alert, it's probably those high-interest credit cards. But 2. Create a budget that works for you. Let's be real. Most people hate the word budget. But hear me out. This isn't about cutting out everything fun. Instead, it's about giving every dollar a job. Here's how to create a budget that works for you. List your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can make small cuts, like unused subscriptions or dining out less often. Allocate a portion of your income specifically for debt payments. Remember, you don't have to give up everything. The goal is to balance paying off debt with living your life. 3. Prioritize your debts. Once you know where your money's going, it's time to tackle your debts strategically. There are 2 popular methods. The snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first to build momentum. The avalanche method. Focus on the highest interest debt to save money long term. Both methods work. It just depends on what motivates you more: quick wins or saving money. Personally, I recommend starting with the avalanche method to reduce those interest payments fast. Boost your income without burning out. Sometimes cutting back isn't enough. That's where boosting your income comes in. But don't worry, you don't have to work 80-hour weeks to make it happen. Here are some easy ways to earn extra cash. Start a side hustle like freelancing or delivering food. Sell items you no longer need on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Ask for a raise or pick up a few extra hours at work. The key is finding something manageable that doesn't leave you completely burnt out. 5. Automate and stay consistent. My final tip is a game changer. Automate your payments. Setting up automatic payments ensures you never miss a due date, avoids late fees, and keeps you on track with your plan. Staying consistent is the secret sauce. Even if it feels slow at first, every single payment gets you one step closer to being debt-free. Getting out of debt doesn't mean sacrificing everything you love. With these 5 tips, you can take control of your finances and keep enjoying life. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use these tips. Thanks for watching. Let's get debt-free together.